What if a small backyard, a garage, or a tiny plot of land could generate tens of thousands of dollars every year? Most people think you need acres of farmland to make serious money in agriculture, but certain high-value crops turn even limited space into a profitable enterprise. These crops grow quickly, require minimal space, and sell for premium prices. Some are gourmet ingredients, others are rare medicinal plants, and some are decorative or luxury items. Small-scale farmers can earn more from a few square feet than traditional farmers make from acres of corn or wheat. In this video, we'll explore 8 high-income crops that let small farmers generate substantial revenue. Each crop has unique advantages. Some grow vertically, some mature in weeks, and others thrive in minimal or challenging soil. Are you ready to see which crops can make small spaces extremely profitable? Let's dive in. 1. Gourmet oyster and shiitake mushrooms. Did you know a single insulated garage or a shipping container could earn $50,000 to $100,000 or more per year? Gourmet mushrooms like oyster and shiitake varieties grow vertically on bags of sawdust or other agricultural waste, making them perfect for small spaces. These mushrooms mature in just 2 to 3 weeks, allowing multiple harvests each month. Small growers can sell directly to high-end restaurants, local chefs, and weekend farmers markets, where fresh, unbruised mushrooms command premium prices. Why are these mushrooms so profitable? They require almost no sunlight, very little land, and minimal equipment. Vertical cultivation makes every square foot count, and multiple cycles multiply income potential. As more consumers demand fresh, organic, and locally sourced ingredients, mushroom cultivation has become a low-risk, high-return opportunity. Farmers can also experiment with specialty varieties like exotic shiitakes or lion's mane mushrooms, which appeal to boutique restaurants and wellness-focused customers, further increasing profit margins. 2. Microgreen sunflower pea shoots radish. Microgreens are tiny, nutrient-packed plants harvested 7 to 14 days after planting. Even a 10 by 20 foot room with stacked vertical racks and LED lights can produce thousands of dollars per month. Popular types include sunflower shoots, pea shoots, and radish greens. Why are microgreens so profitable? Their bright colors, delicate flavors, and nutritional value make them extremely popular with salad bars, vegan restaurants, and health-focused grocery stores. Weekly subscription accounts with local restaurants can create predictable, recurring income. Microgreens are space-efficient and fast-growing, meaning small-scale farmers can rotate crops multiple times per month. Since they are harvested very young, they remain fresh longer and command higher prices than standard leafy greens. Farmers can also sell directly to consumers at farmers markets or through online subscriptions. With low startup costs, minimal equipment, and rapid harvest cycles, microgreens provide a perfect introduction to high-income, small-space agriculture. 3. Saffron crocus sativus. Saffron is the most expensive culinary crop on earth, selling for $5,000 to $10,000 per pound. It comes from the dried stigmas of crocus flowers and requires very little land. The bulbs, or corms, multiply underground every year, increasing yield without additional planting. Have you ever wondered why saffron is so expensive? It is labor-intensive to harvest since each flower produces just 3 tiny threads. However, even a small patch of saffron can generate extraordinary income when sold to boutique spice shops, gourmet grocers, or directly to luxury consumers online. Saffron thrives in sunny, well-drained soil, and its compact growth makes it ideal for small farms, backyards, or rooftop gardens. By packaging in glass vials and selling to high-end buyers, farmers can command premium prices. Its rarity, coupled with high demand from gourmet chefs and specialty stores, ensures continuous market interest. Over time, a small saffron farm can expand with minimal investment, turning a few hundred square feet into a very profitable luxury crop operation. 4. Ginseng wild simulated. Wild simulated ginseng roots sell for $500 to $1,000 per pound when mature, making it a highly profitable long-term crop. Unlike traditional ginseng, wild simulated varieties require minimal maintenance. Farmers plant seeds in shaded, damp hardwood forest lots and let nature do the work. Ginseng takes 5 to 7 years to reach full maturity, but the payoff is significant. These roots are sold to herbal medicine companies, international brokers, or directly to wellness consumers in Asian markets, where ginseng is prized for its medicinal properties. Why consider ginseng for a small farm? It requires almost no labor, thrives in natural forest conditions, and can generate massive revenue from a small area. Once established, a ginseng patch can continue producing quality roots for years with minimal input. The high price, low maintenance, and consistent demand make wild simulated ginseng one of the most profitable specialty crops for small farmers who can plan for long-term growth. 5. Specialty garlic, elephant and hardneck varieties. Specialty garlic, including elephant garlic and hardneck varieties like chestnut red or music, can sell for $10 to $20 per pound, yielding up to $40,000 per acre. Gourmet garlic is richer in flavor and highly desired by chefs and culinary markets. Have you noticed how supermarket garlic tastes bland compared to artisan varieties? These specialty bulbs are hardy, easy to store, and perfect for small-scale operations. Farmers can sell fresh bulbs to local gourmet markets or online, and even market seed garlic to other gardeners. Hardneck varieties also provide unique value because they are rare and flavorful, giving farmers competitive edge. Planting in small plots or raised beds makes cultivation manageable, even for beginners. The combination of high demand, direct sales, and minimal maintenance makes specialty garlic a reliable high-income crop. With creative marketing, like subscription boxes for restaurants or specialty fermenters, garlic can generate consistent, high-margin income year after year. 6. Lavender, bouquets and value-added products. Lavender is a drought-tolerant perennial that thrives in sandy, poor soils, yielding $10,000 to $30,000 per acre. A single planting can provide harvestable flowers for over a decade. Did you know lavender is more profitable when turned into value-added products rather than sold raw? Farmers can create essential oils, soaps, dried bouquets, or culinary teas, significantly increasing revenue. Local spas, boutiques, and online customers are willing to pay premium prices for high-quality lavender products. Lavender's low maintenance, long lifespan, and drought tolerance make it ideal for small-scale growers. Harvests can occur multiple times per season, and specialty products can be marketed to wellness, culinary, and home decor sectors. By combining cultivation with product creation, lavender farms transform modest acreage into a high-income operation. Its versatility and long-term yield make it a perfect example of maximizing revenue from a small plot of land. 7. Bamboo ornamental containers. Bamboo can generate $30 to $150 plus per containerized plant, and a single acre can hold thousands of potted plants. Landscape architects, urban gardeners, and homeowners value bamboo for fast-growing, visually appealing privacy screens. Have you ever seen clumping bamboo in designer gardens? It grows quickly without spreading invasively when contained, making it retail-ready. Small farmers can focus on rare, ornamental varieties, selling directly to local landscapers, nurseries, or online. Bamboo offers repeated income because containerized plants can be sold individually or in bulk. Its fast growth and low maintenance make it a great small farm crop. Farmers can also expand into vertical markets by offering decorative planters, privacy screens, or landscaping packages, maximizing profitability from limited space. With careful marketing, bamboo combines high demand, low upkeep, and a long sales cycle, turning a small farm into a lucrative ornamental plant business. 8. Micro-floret cut flowers, dahlias, and peonies. Specialty cut flowers, like dahlias and peonies, can generate $30,000 to $60,000 per acre. These delicate blooms do not ship well internationally, giving local growers an advantage. Why are micro-floret flowers so profitable? Dahlias produce heavily from summer until the first frost, and peonies are highly sought after for weddings and events. Farmers can partner with local florists, supply wedding planners, or create subscription services for direct-to-consumer delivery. Micro-floret flowers require careful attention during planting and harvest, but reward growers with high-value stems. Small plots allow focused cultivation, and seasonal rotations maximize bloom periods. By offering premium, locally grown blooms, farmers can capture a niche market that industrial operations cannot compete with. For small-scale growers, these flowers combine aesthetic appeal, local demand, and high margins turning a modest farm into a thriving floral business. There you have it, 8 high-income crops that can turn a small farm into a profitable enterprise. From gourmet mushrooms and microgreens to saffron, ginseng, specialty garlic, lavender, bamboo, and micro-floret flowers, each crop shows how limited space can generate substantial revenue with creativity, planning, and smart marketing. Small farmers can sell directly to restaurants, boutiques, wedding planners, or online customers, maximizing profit. These crops prove that size doesn't limit income potential. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more small farm strategies, high-income crop ideas, and tips for turning limited space into wealth.